Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to view shared links in a chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official Telegram website and log into your account. Once you're in, locate the chat where you want to view the shared links. This could be a private conversation or a group chat. Next, click on the chat to open it. At the top of the chat window, you'll see the name of the person or group you're chatting with. Click on that name to open the contact or group info section. In this section, you'll find various options like profile photos, shared media, and more. Look for an option labeled Shared Links, or simply Links. Click on it, and voila! You'll see a list of all the links that have been shared in that specific chat. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly finding important links without scrolling endlessly through your chat history. You can now click on any link to open it or save it for later use. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily access all shared links in any Telegram chat on your PC. Thank you for watching and happy exploring!